Hey, this is Tony with ProductManagerHub.io, where we talk all things product management. This is just an update on our recent software that we've been building. One of the things that we've been knee deep in is going to be our newest software called Ikora. Ikora is really the future of product management. Our goal here at Product Manager Hub and with Ikora is to build out a piece of software for product managers designed by product managers. The key concepts of this particular software is going to be allow those product managers to go in and create what we call product presets. And those presets are going to be the foundation of what we're going to use to then build out all of the different documents that encompass an actual feature or product. And today I'm just going to give you a quick overview of how things are going. One of our goals right now is to get up our private beta up and running by next Friday, April 26th, 2024, depending on when you're listening to this. But we are in the mode of getting things ready for private beta. And today I just want to kind of show where things are at today. So as you can see here, we have our introductory screen when you log in and once you register with us. A couple things I want to kind of highlight as I go down the page here is we have recent activities. Right now we have the ability to go through and expand that off and see the recent activities in terms of those presets that have been developed. We have the ability to navigate and open up those presets. On the right hand side, we have kind of what is new both at Ikora and Product Manager Hub. So if you expand those out, you'll kind of see a couple of different pieces of information. My goal is to really, as we start updating the different documents, the different prompt engineered um, uh, pieces within those documents, we will just post stuff out there so users of the system will kind of know when new things are coming to Ikora. The next thing is going to be on the Product Manager Hub news. We just want to kind of overview of what's going on at Product Manager Hub just as well. And so that kind of rounds out the top portion of Ikora. When you get into the next piece of it, this is really kind of where the meat and potatoes are of Ikora. We have our product presets. As you can see here, what this is, once again, is going to be an application, a product, a feature. These are going to be the things that you want to define a product preset on that is going to then help you build documentation for that particular product, feature, whatever you end up defining for it. So as you can see here, we do have just some default ones in here, but it is simple as creating a product preset by creating or clicking on create preset. Go ahead and upload an icon. Once you load that in, you can call this particular one. Let's call this, if we were to build one out, let's call it Snap Post. Snap Post would be a uh, fun little application. And then for a description of Snap Post, let's go ahead and just pre-populate that in. So I can add in my information about Snap Post. And once you create that preset, go ahead and click create. And as you can see here, now we have the new preset called Snap Post. We also have that up here in the present activities as well. Now, to go in and actually start the process of building documentation around Snap Post, you can go in and open up that preset. What that does is it opens up another section. As you can see here, we have our preset name. We have the born on date of this preset. We have the number of documents created. So as of right now, we have roughly about 30 templates in our system that users can use. And right now we have created 0 of those 30. And then the last piece is going to be just an overview once again of your product preset. The next piece that you can see here, and we have a little bit more development onto the other phases of product development, but as you can see, we have, for example, idea creation. We can expand that out, and I can see all of the different templates that I could choose from to start building out some of the foundation for Snap Post. So as you can see, I can start building an brainstorming worksheet. I could go and build out a SWOT analysis for it. Once again, this is just kind of the document, the description, and a couple additional pieces of information through there. You can certainly collapse that and look at the next one, which is going to be the concept development. And then, like I said before, we're actually going to be building in more pieces because we know it's idea creation, concept development, product definition, product development, product retirement, stuff like that. Um, so we'll be building those out in the next week or two. But the piece that I wanted to highlight into is now we're able to, if you expand that out, we're able to go in here and let's say we want to create a brand new idea brainstorming worksheet. Go ahead and click create, which pulls up a little bit of information. So it's going to highlight, well, what particular preset is this going towards? It talks a little bit about the document that you have selected in terms of the name. We have a little bit of description to it. And then what we're trying to do is we're trying to really limit the amount of inputs the user has to input into the document to create that document or start to create that document. And so what we've defined within each of these templates is really the main areas that need to get entered in. So for example, if we're doing an idea brainstorming worksheet, we're looking for a product or feature description, problem statement, and a target audience description with a little bit of understanding of what we're kind of asking for. And then we also have built in there an example input of it. And so that's where we're at today. We're to this point. The next piece that we're working on within development over this next week is going to be once we go off and actually create this. So we click create. We're able to actually then start applying our AI model over not only what has been collected today so far for that preset, but we're also going to use our AI model to start generating these different types of documents. So a lot there. We're super excited about it. Once again, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at productmanagerhub.io. You can reach us on any of the social media links just as well. If you're looking to join our private beta, please go to ikora.productmanagerhub.io and you can check out everything there in terms of getting on our waitlist. So thanks for watching. Once again, we're super excited about it, and we will be talking to you soon.